Today I'm going to review HTK leaf blower. This leaf blower takes 25-to-1 ratio oil fuel mix. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try this 50-1 ratio. I'm going to mix it with the fuel and I'm going to show you how it works. Even though the manufacturer mentioned a 25-to-1 fuel ratio, I couldn't find that mixture anywhere locally. So instead, I decided to go with 50-to-1 mixture. That's a pretty standard ratio you'll find at most hardware stores, and it worked just fine for most two-stroke engines. Here, I've got 1 gallon of fresh gasoline, and I'm using a red 1-gallon container for mixing. Always make sure it's clean and labeled for fuel use only, safety first. Now I'm adding 50-to-1 two-stroke oil mix. Give it a little shake to make sure the oil and gas blend evenly. You don't want the oil sitting at the bottom. Next, I'm pouring this fresh mixture right into the tank of this HTK 63CC gas-powered backpack blower. This model claims up to 665 CFM and 205 miles per hour airspeed. That's some serious power for cleaning leaves, yard debris, or even light snow. Now let's start it up. Flip the switch to on, set the choke, prime it a few times, and let's give it a pull. There we go. Started up nice and smooth on the first few pull. As you can see, this thing got plenty of power. It's moving those dry leaves and small debris with ease. The throttle response is quick, and the airflow feels consistent. Definitely feels like commercial grade performance for this price. So overall, I would say this HTK 63cc blower does the job. It's loud but powerful. And even though I used a 50-to-1 mix instead of manufacturer 25-to-1, it started up great and ran smooth. If you're using it long term, I would recommend keeping an eye on your spark plug and exhaust for any oil buildup. That's usually the first sign your mix might be rich or too lean. For now, I'm happy with this result. Easy setup, stronger power, and it got the job done. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below. Let me know what ratio you use or what worked for you. Thank you for watching.